name of lesson number 8 is vertical or khadi harakat. There are two names. You can say vertical harakat. It's easy. What's the name?
Curry other card.
Khadi harakat. Vertical is easy, I think. Or khadi harakat. Which one is easy?
The curry other card.
Okay, khadi harakat. The name is khadi harakat. What?
But I say to Alif. Curry Alif.
No, okay, not khadi alif. Just say khadi harakat. Okay?
Okay.
Khadi harakat. So khadi harakat are three. How many?
3.
Three. First is khada zabar. Repeat. This is khada zabar. Repeat.
This curry zabar.
Then khada zer.
Then curry there.
And the last one is ulta pesh. What?
Ulta pesh.
Ulta pesh. And you can say in other words vertical zabar and vertical zer and inverted pesh. Okay?
Actually, all of those words tomorrow and I saw lizards.
Yes. Inshallah, I will listen from you tomorrow. So let me tell you again. Let me ask first. What's the name of lesson number 8? Which harakat? Khadi
Kutur
harakat. Khadi harakat. Khadi harakat.
curry halakat.
Good. What are khadi harakat? Khada zabar.
Curry zabar.
Then
Curry there. Curry pesh.
ulta page. Khada page not ulta page. Inverted.
Ulta pesh.
Ulta page. So khada zabar will be on top of the letter, or you can say up of the letter, like zabar and two zabar. Okay.
Okay.
And khada zer will be on the bottom of the letter, downside of the letter, like zer and two zer. Okay. Bottom of the line or downside of the letter or on the line. Okay. Downside. And inverted page will be on top of the letter, up of the letter, or up of the line, like page and two page, because two page and simple page comes on the top of the letters, okay, or upsides of the letter, okay.
Okay.
Okay, understand?
Okay.
And the last rule is the vertical harakat. Like the question is how to read vertical harakat, and the answer is by stretching. How to read harakat?
By stretching.
Stretching like mother letters. We will stretch mother letters. Yes? Should we stretch them? Mother letters.
Yes.
We read that already.
Yes.
So same rule for vertical khadi harakat. Same rule for that. We will stretch khadi harakat also. Okay? Okay, Rohan?
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. There is no more rule. Just three questions only. First question is, finally repeat. What's the name of lesson number 8?
Korea letters.
Khadi harakat. What are khadi harakat? Khada zabar.
Korea harakat.
Khada zabar. Repeat.
Korea
It is
zabar.
khada zer or khadi zer.
Korea there.
Khadi zer
Korea there.
and ulta page.
Ulta pesh.
Ulta page.
Like
Good.
like there's panther.
And how to read them? By
Stretching.
stretching. So I will just give you the example by reading. But lesson number 8 from reading, from words, inshallah we will start tomorrow. You will have to memorize first rules, and after that we will start the reading, inshallah. Okay? But I'm just giving you the example, and let me tell you how to read these letters. These are very very easy, and you will see these are same after reading, after spelling, like mother letters. These are same, inshallah. Okay, so repeat after me and look. The first letter is, can you please tell me what's the first letter?
Yes.
What is it?
Ta zabar.
Ta.
Ta zabar. Ka.
Ta. Same letters. Pay attention, please. Sohan, pay
Okay.
attention. Leave this. Leave it, please. Ta khada zabar ta.
Ta. Kartabarta.
Then ta khadi zer ti.
Ta.
Khadi zer.
Kar.
Khadi zer
Karzer.
ti.
Ti.
Last. Ta ulta pesh.
Ta. Ulta page.
Tu.
Tu.
Ta.
Ta.
Ti.
Chi.
Tu.
Tu.
This is the way of reading, okay? But inshallah, we will start the reading inshallah tomorrow, but you will have to memorize only these rules, okay? Two rules important, okay? And inshallah, I will teach you the third one tomorrow, but first you will have to memorize these 2 points and 3 questions, okay?
Yes.
Good, mashallah. These 2 stars for you for good reading, mashallah. And
Now what?
listen. Some hearts, some thumbs ups for you for good reading, mashallah. Are you happy? How much?
Teacher.
How much you happy? Okay,
Teacher.
I'm
No.
listening. Tell me what.
Teacher.
Tell me what.
I want 100 star
Hmm?
and 1,000,000,000.
Very good job, mashallah. Smile, please. Good job. Excellent.